The SHILLA Group is one of the leading and largest manufacturers of bags, backpacks, and luggage in Vietnam. Our journey began in 1998, and with nearly 3 decades of operation, SHILLA Bags has earned a reputation as a reliable choice for producing high-quality outdoor packs. SHILLA's vision for 2025 extends beyond mere business success. It aims to create sustainable value for employees, customers, and the community. To confidently pursue this vision and move forward with our goals, SHILLA Bags operates based on 5 core strategies. Foundation. Our greatest asset is our highly skilled and knowledgeable workforce, deeply versed in their respective fields. This strong foundation is crucial to our success. Quality. Quality is not just a standard, it's a mindset. SHILLA Group has cultivated a culture of excellence that permeates every aspect of our work. Innovation. We invest in machinery to meet the increasingly stringent demands for superior carry system. From improving production efficiency to streamlining operations, SHILLA is committed to modernization. Speed. Harnessing the full potential of our employees and maintaining a rapid development pace enable us to far exceed the expectations of our partners. Cost. Combining the 4 elements, foundation, innovation, quality, and speed in an appropriate manner equates to a more competitive product pricing, which in turn allows us to give back to the community.
Currently, SHILLA Group operates 2 manufacturing facilities in southern Vietnam. The first is SHILLA Bags International, headquartered in Tay Ninh Province, just a 1-hour drive from Tan Son Nhat International Airport in Ho Chi Minh City. The second is SHILLA GLOVIS, located in Dong Thap Province, approximately 1.5 hours from Tan Cang Cat Lai Port in Ho Chi Minh City.
SHILLA Bags International. Established in 2008, with 3 factories covering an area of 59,000 square meters. This complex allows the company to provide livelihoods for approximately 3,000 families. With a monthly output of 400,000 units, which is about $6 million FOB value, makes SHILLA Bags one of the leading manufacturers of outdoor and tactical bags in Vietnam. Recruiting the best individuals in their field of expertise is a no-brainer. From designers, line leaders, sewing operators to end-line QCs, everyone has high skills in developing top-of-the-line bags. Depending on the pack's complexity and availability of materials, initial proto samples can be achieved in 2 weeks or even less. We also offer competitive labor cost from the development stage thanks to applying a lean production system. Time study and determining the appropriate sewing process or machinery are key factors in making this a reality. Since patterns are digitally created, having a print and cut machines will not only reproduce each pattern accurately but also rapidly. All 3 factories relies on a central raw material warehouse to receive and distribute materials to all production lines. Quality inspection team ensures raw materials are received correctly as per specs, quality, and quantity. Upon receipt, random quality inspections are conducted on fabrics, webbings, and other materials. Besides, maintenance team will check the temperature and humidity meter in the room. Rejected materials are stored in a separate warehouses for safekeeping. A decade ago, serious efforts in promoting automation was launched. Deep research on the future of production trends were done. Significant investments on new machines were made, thus increasing our efficiency. Automatic fabric cutters has been instrumental in reducing material wastage due to precise cutting, allowing the patterns to be laid out economically. Time spent on manual labor has been reduced exponentially as well. No matter how efficient the automated cutters are, it has its own limitations. This is where industrial press cutters stands out. Automated length cutters for zippers and webbings are usually overlooked when it comes to production efficiency and size accuracy. Laser cut application has become a common accent on the design of modern packs. From cutting panels for hiking packs to advanced mall system on tactical packs, brands are able to utilize this application on their design language. Since travel restrictions has been lifted, our designated assembly lines for wheeled items are back in full swing to significantly reduce the bottleneck at the end line. Sewing lines have been doing self-inspection prior to parsing over the sub-assemblies to the next operation. This is a 10-year-old regimen that can be attributed to our success. Lean system integrated during development stage has been beneficial in achieving production efficiency. Packs with humid-sensitive materials are stored in this area prior to final packing. To reduce the human error during packing, goods are run through a scan and pack stage. Broken needles are a grave threat to the safety of the end consumer. To counter this invisible problem, goods are passed through a needle detection machine after packing. Internal testing laboratory is home to about 20 different kind of testing machines. This gives us an edge even during the development stage. At SHILLA Bags, we put great emphasis in managing the finished goods warehouse at each factory to ensure that no cartons are lost or damaged. Before loading the cargo, employees conduct thorough inspections and accurately record the data. Subsequently, the shipping containers are securely sealed to protect the goods until they reach its destination. In addition to committing to production efficiency by continuously investing in automation and other modern machinery to the development of employees, a separate meeting area within the company premises is used to conduct activities related to the labor union. Aside from the government-mandated benefits, our employees also enjoy welfare policies initiated by the company. SHILLA GLOVIS.
Established in 2017, SHILLA GLOVIS is strategically located in Dong Thap Province, a vital region in southern Vietnam. The SHILLA GLOVIS complex encompasses a total floor area of approximately 30,000 square meters, situated on a 55,000 square meter land parcel in Go Cong Ward.
SHILLA GLOVIS has been making significant contribution on SHILLA Group's dominance in the outdoor bag industry in Vietnam. With the primary focus on efficiency, SHILLA GLOVIS fully determined to improve each process and has been allocating resources to make this goal attainable. Assembly team for our wheeled items has been working double time just to meet the ever-increasing demand of the travel sector. A couple of years ago, management has decided to take the less traveled path of producing waterproof packs. Seam sealing was integrated into our production operations as a first step. "2023 marks a new dawn for SHILLA Group though, as we go full throttle in this waterproof pack category. New welding machines were acquired and are now being tested. Development team is still gaining knowledge but we're expecting to be able to launch production-ready full-fledged waterproof packs by first half 2024. Quality management system is one of SHILLA Group's strengths in attaining products with premium quality. Quality standards of each brand is transferred through training workshops for QC alongside QA teams to ensure customer requirements are implemented on the production floor. The raw material warehouse is also centralized to better control and monitor the materials for all 3 production facilities. When it comes to superb reliability and great customer service, nothing else comes close to German brands. These are the reasons Bollmer cutters became our main workhorse in our cutting section. Due to the importance of workplace safety, hazardous chemicals and materials at SHILLA GLOVIS are carefully stored in a designated area. This is equipped with an eye wash station for handling any potential incidents. CD-PAT is a collaborative program between customs and well-known brands to protect global supply chains from terrorist activities. SHILLA Group is an active participant which implements strict monitoring of inbound and outbound goods. At SHILLA Group, a roadmap towards sustainability has been laid out. 8 Sustainable Development Goals has been identified with the hope of fulfilling it by 2025, thus the project name 8 for 25. Based on the goals proposed at the United Nations Summit in 2015. One of the key proponents of this project is incorporating solar energy to our daily consumption. Aside from 8 solar power stations around the parking area, a series of solar panels on the roof is about to be rolled out. The said installation is bound to reap rewards in the long run. To help reduce water consumption, a water treatment facility is in place. This will help us reuse water for utilitarian purposes. As part of SHILLA Group's serious commitment to environmental efforts, we are set to kick off our textile waste recycling project by the end of the year. Competent recycling firms' goals are already set. Step 1. Reduce waste from factories. Step 2. Collect and transport waste efficiently. Step 3. Process and recycle waste into fibers. Step 4. Proper disposal of non-recyclable waste. SHILLA Bags has been instrumental in helping our customers reach their full potential by achieving on-time product launches up and gaining significant trade fair recognitions. SHILLA Group has not been only constantly complying with major industry standards such as BSCI, Better Works Vietnam, Higgs and RAP, but has also garnered high remarks. ISOs has also been a staple standards annually. SHILLA Bags International, SHILLA GLOVIS, SHILLA Group of Companies. Product excellence through a sustainable future.